We've got the boss of the world's biggest business software company with us live in Frankfurt on the back of a positive growth forecast for SAP's Sybase by co-chief executive Jim Hagemann Snabe joins us now from the German software giant's customer fair, which is called Sapphire Now. Jim, just tell us, why is it called Sapphire Now, and what innovations are you showing out there over the next 3 days?
Well, we've had our Sapphire Now conference for many years. It's where we enlighten our customers with the latest and greatest innovations from SAP. This year it's very different. It's a virtual event. We are live from Frankfurt and Orlando at the same time. We expect around 50,000 participants, so a very exciting moment. We will show solutions in all of our categories of software. On-premise software, where we are the leader today. We will reveal our on-demand offerings as well. And of course, with the Sybase acquisition, we are very pleased to talk about mobility as one of the key drivers of growth for the future.
Well, tell us about the Sybase deal. You know, explain to us all why it warranted this premium that it has.
Well, we always said we didn't want to acquire for buying market share. We wanted to acquire to move our strategic position forward. And this is indeed one of those acquisitions, a very exciting and important one. Sybase helps us become #1 in mobility. You know, with 4.6 billion people using mobile devices today, we believe that is going to be the preferred desktop for business applications in the future. At the same time, they are very strong in databases, and we believe there's a revolution coming with in-memory technology, allowing real-time analytics to come. And so, very strategic, important for us. We see lots of growth opportunities, and that's why we paid the price we did for Sybase.
Right. Well, you know, also just give us an idea about a competing bid here. What would be a deal breaker? I mean, if we had a competing bid, would you up your bid?
Well, it's obviously too soon to say. I think we found the right price where the synergies that we see between SAP and Sybase are in fact unique. And I don't think there are many companies out there who can have the same opportunity and synergy coming from this deal. So we're pretty confident at this stage.
When you talk about synergies here, we don't see much overlap in the businesses. So there are no cost savings.
No, the synergies are really growth. We see an opportunity to grow both on the SAP side as well as the Sybase side. We are very complementary, both from technology point of view as well as customer base, industries and geographies. And with that, we see high potential to grow. As I said, it touches 2 of 3 strategic pillars of our strategy, and that's why we see this high synergy in this deal, which I think no one else can match.
When does it start producing for you on the bottom line?
We believe that it will start producing very rapidly. We already have solutions jointly with Sybase, which brings our CRM solutions to mobile devices, and we can take immediate action and deliver more mobile experiences, both from SAP and from our ecosystem. So we will see the impact already this year. Mid to long term, you will see the impact of the in-memory technology revolutionizing the way the database business and the whole real-time analytics is going to evolve.
Okay, are you done with acquisitions this year then?
Well, we have always been cautious on acquisitions. We believe fundamentally that our growth needs to come from our power of innovation. With this, we have obviously a big opportunity in front of us, which we will focus most of our attention on. I can't rule out other acquisitions, but this one is certainly going to take most of the attention this year.
Let me talk to you about the crisis, sovereign debt crisis in Europe at the moment. How is that affecting your business? How's it playing out?
Well, we do believe that there are signs that the crisis is over, but it's important to be cautious as well. We follow the situation in Europe quite closely. It is fair to say that we see, of course, an uncertainty in certain countries, but the main countries in Europe are still strong. We see growth happening there. We see companies going for growth and investing in technology. And so from that point of view, we are optimistic. We are cautious, but optimistic.
Jim Hagemann Snabe there, thank you very much indeed for joining us, the co-chief executive of SAP, world's biggest business management software company.